Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 2024 project pan intro. I do this rolling style and I usually do about 7 products at a time. Some I have usage goals on, some I want to finish up completely. And I've got a whole new set of products here, so let's go ahead and get started with my primer. I have been working through my primers these last couple of years and I'm still enjoying working through them. So for this, for the start of this, I'm doing the Too Faced Do You primer. This is the oldest primer in my collection. I've probably got about halfway left of it. It is an airless pump, so it will go up, and quite honestly, I do enjoy panning airless pumps just because they are easy to track. So I'm excited to use this up. I'm gonna say it's probably gonna take 4 to 5 months to finish up. The next item I want to finish up, and I was really nervous to put this next item in my pan because I don't typically use products like this, but again, another oldest product in my collection is the Sonia Kashuk Brightening Powder, and I've got, again, probably about halfway left to go. I'm gonna kind of try to mark it like on the bottom here. I might switch my marking style later, but for right now this is what I have. So again, I want to say this will probably end up being the product that takes me most of the year just because I don't use powders that often, but I am kind of tired of having this in my collection, but I don't want to declutter it, so I'm going to see if I can use it up. If I get into a certain point, I will go ahead and just roll it out. The next item I have is a usage goal, and that is the Kaja Beauty Bento in the shade Spiked Ginger. My goal is going to be to reach for this a total of 50 times. So any one of these is going to count as a use. If I use it more than once, say I want to do a look with all 3 shades, I will go ahead and count it as 3 uses, but just reach for this as a whole, a total of 50 times. And then the one item that I am rolling in from last year's project is the Pure Mineral Foundation. It's their 4-in-1. And I am so close to finishing this up. I just want to be able to finish up and have the satisfaction of finishing a foundation in my collection. I'm gonna guess this is probably gonna take me until April to finish up. And then we also have the Hourglass, it's their concealer. And my goal is to use this 50 times and then see if I want to roll it out or not. Part of me thinks I can finish it up. Part of me doesn't want to underestimate my ability to do that, so we're gonna see where we're at after 50 uses. I want to say I have about halfway through based on kind of the separation I'm seeing in the tube, so I'm probably almost halfway done, a little less than halfway done with this, so we'll see how long it actually takes. But this is going to be a see where we're at after 50. And then same goes with the Marc Jacobs. I've got a mini Tantastic bronzer, and my goal is to either hit 50 uses or finish it. I'm going to see where I'm at after whichever one comes first of those 3. I'm going to see where I'm at and decide at that point whether or not I want to keep going or whether I want to roll it out and roll something else in this place. This last item, I did decide to roll out that ColourPop blush from last year. I got to a place where I was just tired of trying to pan it, so in its place I am going to roll in the Ulta Beauty Mineral Blush. My goal is to either hit pan on this or use it 50 times, whichever comes first, and then again decide whether I want to keep moving forward with this or rolling this out. I do love this blush. I am wearing it today. It's just kind of an everyday blush. I feel like I can get a lot of use out of it, and I've been wanting to pan this actually now for a couple of years. I have used up a total of 1 of these before in the past, so that just goes to show how much I like it, especially to repurchase a blush. So the packaging is broke on it, but I'm looking forward to using it. Anyway, that is everything I have for this intro. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, if you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.